got the 4630 on the cart. I got the Kilbros 475 with the extensions on it. This is a potato field. We're doing these corners to the neighbor at the moment. Right now, if you would like, go check out my TikTok. That's Henry Pfister 675 on TikTok, and check that out. It's pretty cool. I do all my editing, my cool edits on there. Dad's running the combine. I'll probably get a clip in there and a couple more. So we're gonna see how far we can get today. So enjoy some clips of the combine running. Well, we have acquired a rider, my cousin, and we're just finishing up the last of this field. I'm probably going to call her quits for the night and take a couple more pretty cool clips for you guys, and then I'll put the ending to the video up. So enjoy a few more pretty dang cool clips, and I'll end the video for you guys. But first, you guys get to watch this 9500 eat some wheat real quick. Man, that thing looks nice eating that wheat. We got this beautiful sunset, so enjoy those clips. Hopefully you guys enjoyed some of those clips. Today, we're gonna wrap the day up for today. We got quite a bit done. We got 2 triangles, 10 acres, and this is another 10. We started at like 4 or 5 o'clock, and it's 8 now. Just some beautiful sunset, and I think we're gonna end the video here. So see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and then go check out my TikTok, which is Henry Pfister 675. I think that's what it is. I'll put it down below in the description. So see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching.